students, hope you're all good. In the previous class we have completed matrices. In today's class we shall start a new chapter, trigonometry. Already you have some idea about trigonometry, you might have learnt in 10th class. Today just we shall revise those problems. This chapter is wholly based on the formulas. So first of all we will discuss the formulas, write those formulas, learn those formulas perfectly, then only you will be able to do every problem well. Let us discuss the formulas. Let us say this is triangle ABC. So it will be 90, let us call this as theta, and let us call this as 90 minus theta. You know that sin theta is equal to opposite to theta by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent to theta by hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to opposite to theta by adjacent to theta, cot theta is equal to adjacent to theta by opposite to theta, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent to theta, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite to theta. Now these are the 6 trigonometric ratios that you have. Then 3 trigonometric identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And here you know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. From this we can derive sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1, cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1, secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1. From this we can derive number of formulae. I just want you to write these 3. Next we have, from identities you shall derive number of formulas. That is, okay, one more. You have tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. This is what you have. Then sin of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta, cot of 90 minus theta, secant of 90 minus theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta, secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. Next you have angles of negative, sin of minus theta, cos of minus theta, tan of minus theta, cot of minus theta, secant of minus theta, cosecant of minus theta. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is cot theta, secant of minus cot theta, secant of minus theta is secant theta, cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So note down these. Next you have a table, value table. let us discuss the value table. We shall discuss the table. Zero, 30, 45, 60, 90. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Theta. Sin 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos theta is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is sin by cos. 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity. Reverse. Infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Secant theta is 1 by cos 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, infinity. Cosecant 0, infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Cosecant 90 is 1 by sin theta. This is what is the value table. I want you to note down this value table and read the thoroughly. You have to be thorough with this. In today's class we have discussed just the formulas. Note down all the formulas. Tomorrow's class I shall discuss some more formulas with you. In the further classes we discuss the classes based on formulae. So write down the formulae. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow's class I shall give you some more set of formulas. Okay.